Good.
To serve doth suffice, sire.
Why are you here, Outlander? I see no shaman for you to hide behind this time. I see. You lose one shaman who shielded you, and now you hide behind another. So tell me, why did she send you? Gift me a mirror? You humor me, Outlander. Neither I nor my people have use of such a thing. It is a toy of your people. It plays upon the vanity of fools and females. Why should she gift me such a thing? No. More likely this is some Outlander trick designed to slay me. You seek to succeed where your previous assassin failed. I am Wylfdene, blessed and guided by the spirit of Jared. I fear nothing, Outlander. And what is it that you see? What truth is revealed to you? What indeed? Wylfdene shall see the truth of his reflection, Outlander. He shall see a king raised from the dead, the forming of a great nation, and the triumph of his people as the 10 towns are erased from the face of Faerun. Hold forth your mirror and behold such a king among men. Your mirror is nothing more than I expected. A simple toy that... No, it cannot be. What have I done? This hideous form defiles the majesty of my being. Enough! Put away your mirror!
Ah, sight is painful, is it not, spirit? Such pain is well known to me, and seeing yourself as you truly are, the most painful thing of all. Look into the mirror, creature that is Wylfdene. See truth. See yourself.
What do you know of pain, hag? I held the north in my claws. When I spread my wings, I shadowed the face of the world. I was a goddess. One man took it all from me. My life, my love, everything that I was. Ionian, I curse you and all your kind. I will yet see the day that I eradicate all humans. And I shall start with you, hag.
It is done. This wound is by time's hand. There is no healing it. The time of my death is now upon me. I have found that fear, the fear of death, is no small thing to put aside. You spoke truth to me back in the gloom frost about my fear claiming me. I could not allow the hopes of my people and yours to be slain because of it. Death comes for all, and I, for one, see it, and now embrace it.
We have an accord.
Shall I scry the area, if I must?
Hey there! Got it!
Patience is for the unfortunate, and that
I'm right here.
would be us.
I see truth in your eyes.
I can see you're up to something. Yeah? To the 9 hells with you.
Knowledge is power.
Insurgents, culture, imperium.
Do you seek truths, even uneasy ones?
What's that?
Need someone capable?
You shall see no tomorrow.
Doing it coward here, Derek.
We shall shape your end together.
To serve doth suffice, sire.